In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and comment on individual entries in Wufoo. Managing your form entries efficiently is a crucial part of staying organized and getting the most value out of your data. Let's dive into the process of making adjustments to your entries and adding internal notes. First, you'll want to log in to your Wufoo account. Once you're logged in, head to the Forms section. This is where all of your forms are listed, and it's your starting point for managing the entries associated with them. Now, find the form that is of interest to you. Next to this form, you'll notice there's an option labeled Entries, or sometimes you might see All Entries. Click on that to proceed. You're now in a space where you can view all the submissions linked to that specific form. To pinpoint the entry you want to work with, you have a couple of handy options. You can either use the search function to look for specific identifiers or apply filters to narrow down your results. Once you've located the entry you need, click on the ID number associated with that entry. This action will open up the details of that submission, allowing you to view the data related to that particular entry. When viewing the entry, you'll notice some metadata displayed along with the form details. This might include information such as the submission date or the current status of the entry. These details can be quite helpful for understanding the context or tracking the history of the entry. If you need to make any changes to the entry, look for the Edit button or link. This is typically located on the right-hand side or at the top of the entry view. Clicking Edit will allow you to modify the information contained within the form fields. Go ahead and make any necessary changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. It's important to click this to ensure that all your updates are properly recorded. Aside from editing, you might find it useful to add comments to an entry. Comments can be quite valuable as they allow you to include internal notes that provide further insight or context. These comments are strictly for internal communication and won't be included if you decide to export the data. To add a comment, look for an icon or link that says Comments or Jump to Comments within the entry view. This will guide you to where you can input your remarks and save them for future reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly edit and comment on your Wufoo entries, ensuring your data is always up to date and accompanied by any necessary notes. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.